Okay, guys, so on Wednesdays, we tutor. We don't wear pink, we tutor. If you see Mean Girls, you know where I got that from. But, so we bring snacks for the kids um, every week, and I feed the kids for tutoring, and I also feed them for Sunshine Band. Um, if you're part of Church of God in Christ, then you know what Sunshine Band is. If you don't, I have to fill y'all in later. But anyway, so I want to show y'all these grapes. So we got the cotton candy grapes. Can you see that? I never had these before, but they taste like pure candy. Is that even healthy? How do they do that? I don't know. But anyways, um, I'm gonna close out this vlog, but probably not in this exact clip, so stay tuned. Good morning, guys. Hope this vlog isn't this long by this point, but I'm just getting off of my second job, and all I'm gonna say, y'all, is I ain't never worked that hard for no raggedy $9.55. Ooh, I can't wait till I can pay my debt off and have a job that just gives me more than enough. Okay. Ooh, anyway, I'm about to go home, get ready to go to school. Hopefully I make it to school by 8 o'clock. All right, wish me luck. Bye. Hey guys, it's a week later. It's Wednesday again. I have closed out this vlog like at least 50 million times. It's been a lot going on, not bad stuff, just, everyday life stuff. Me trying to juggle, working two jobs again, going to school. It's nothing too hard for me, I guess. Nothing too hard, but it's just getting interesting around here. I'm trying to get my sleep schedule together because I never had a sleep schedule because I just don't be sleepy most of the time. But anyway, I'm closing out this vlog, guys, and I just want to let y'all know I am so almost done with school. I am so excited. Like, I just can't wait for it to all be over because I am very sleepy. I'm very tired, and I think I'm mostly tired because it's like after you don't have any work to do, you like, now what do I do? Like, what do I do? Oh, and I always try to close my little educational vlogs out with something helpful, so let me add this in there. Student instructors, please remember that one, you are a student, but you are also an instructor as well. And you also need to remain professional because the other instructors are looking at how you engage with the students and how you interact with them. There will be times where students will try you as far as like maybe argument wise because maybe y'all don't see eye to eye to something, or you guys having a conversation or talking or whatever it is. But just remember that you are trying to get a job wherever it is, whether it's at the school that you're studying at or it's at another school. You are trying to get a job, and you're always trying to make sure that you maintain the authority that you have in the classroom. And it's okay to be friendly, but you are not friends with the students, because once you do that, your authority is ruined and they will not take you seriously. And it's gonna be very, very hard, like pulling teeth, trying to get the classroom in order, basically. Also, I did want to tell you guys too, because it's getting kind of lengthy. Please, 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 please stay on top of the classrooms that you are observing, meaning get the syllabus, understand how the class is ran. If you have to do demos for your program, for your grade, you need to know what the students are learning and when they are learning it, so that you can know when to ask, when you can do the thing. I'm saying it wrong. You need to know when they're learning something, because if you're interested in that subject, then you need to know so that you're not teaching them something that they already know. Or the teacher may be like, oh, they already learned that already. You're going to have to pick something else. And it might be something that you really don't want to teach, because I've noticed that too. Like, some student instructors, like, they're not on top of it. Like, I was really on top of it, but that's just who I am naturally. And I'm like, how did you want to teach this, but they're already learning it? So that means you can't teach it, and the semester is almost over. So anyways, just please stay on top of it, y'all, because that looks bad on your part if you're falling behind, because remember, you're an instructor in training, so they're paying attention to you. Anyway, have a great day. Hopefully I can get a nap after this. If not, I'm just gonna cry privately. Bye, guys.